Let's go.
At number 5, we have 3 private terrace, endless Hudson River views right here in the West Village. Let's roll the clip.
The entry floor opens into the living room, anchored by a wood-burning fireplace clad in natural stone. Just past the living space, we transition into the eating kitchen. The kitchen is complete with storage, sleek natural stone countertops, and top-of-the-line Miele and Bosch appliances. Adjacent, you have the first private balcony, facing west and north, overlooking the Hudson River. Throughout this level, expansive windows flood the space with natural light and feature custom translucent blinds for comfort and privacy. You also have a powder room down on this level that completes this floor. Now, let's make our way up the wooden staircase. First, we're going to find the primary suite, starting with the bathroom. The bathroom features natural stone finishes and a deep soaking tub. The bedroom itself is calm and comfortable with plenty of space to make it your own. Then you step outside to your private terrace, where the views take center stage. The Hudson River unfolds beneath you, an ever-changing canvas of skyline, water, and light that never gets old. But let's make our way to the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom offers comfort, flexibility, and its own peaceful perspective. The secondary bedroom is quiet, comfortable, and totally customizable, and you can style it however you like.